So we just got home from Prospect Park, our day at the zoo, yes, and our day looking at the Revolutionary War. It's the old stone house museum at the Byrne Park. And also there is a nice big plaque to the Revolutionary War in Prospect Park. Yes, she was very interested in those things. We saw seals at the park, at the zoo, and llamas, cows, sheep, a four-horned sheep, fish, meerkats, and many other animals too. All in all, it was a glorious day, and she was, of course, the best baby on the planet. Slept all the way over and all the way back, and we had a picnic at the park, and she had some yogurt. All in all, a great day. Olivia, have anything to say? How about adios, amigos? Yeah.